Swastiastu. Hello, welcome back to meet me again. In this video, I will try to answer Mathematics Unit 43. But first, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ibusti Putraidi Hartaningsih from 5A Mathematics Education with student ID number are 211-301-1001. Uh, Mathematics Unit 43 talk about lighthouse. Note that lighthouses are towers with a light beacon on top. Lighthouses assist ships in finding their way at night when they are sailing close to the shore. A lighthouse beacon sends out light flashes with a regular fixed pattern. Every lighthouse has its own pattern. In the diagrams below, you see the pattern of a certain lighthouse. The light flashes alternately with the periods. Like the image you can see on the slide, it is a regular pattern. After some time, the pattern repeats itself. The time taken by one complete cycle of the pattern before it starts to repeat is called a period. When you find the period of a pattern, it is easy to extend the diagram for the next second or minute or even hours. And the question is question 43.1. Which of the following could be the period of the pattern of this lighthouse? Next question is question 43.2. For how many seconds does the lighthouse send out light flashes in a minute? And the last question is question 43.3. In the diagrams below, make a graph a possible pattern of light flashes of a lighthouse that send out light flashes for 30 seconds per minute. The period of this pattern must be equal to 6 seconds. Okay, I will try to answer this question by following polio 4 steps in problem solving. Step to answer by following polio 4 steps in problem solving is: first, you should understand the problem. Second, make a plan. And third, execute the plan. And the last is look back and reflect. Answer question 43.1. First step is understand the problem. From the picture, it is known that the lighthouse emits flashes of light with a pattern. First 2 seconds of darkness, then 1 second of light. After that, 1 second of darkness and 1 second of light. And it is known that these patterns are regular. So the question is, which the following could be the period of the pattern of this lighthouse? Second step is make a plan. That I will pay close attention to the picture, then extend the existing pattern to 1 minute. And the next step is execute plan. When I look closely at the given image, the period of the lighthouse sending out its light was 5 seconds. To ensure that the answer is correct, I carry out my plan. It is extending the pattern given to 1 minute. And the last step is look back and reflect. When I double check, I match the picture of the pattern extension that I had made with the existing answer choices. If you use 2 second, 3 second, and 12 second periods, it does not produce the same pattern. But with a period of 5 seconds, the same pattern is obtained. So the 5 second answer is proven correct. Next is answer question 43.2. First step is understand the problem. It is same as question 43.1. From the picture, it is known that the lighthouse emits flashes of light with a pattern: first 2 seconds of darkness, then 1 second of light, after that 1 second of darkness and 1 second of light. And it is known that these patterns are regular. So the question is, how many seconds does the lighthouse send its light in 1 minute? Next step is make a plan, because in question 43.1 it is known that the period is an one period the light comes for 2 seconds. So I will find out how many seconds is in 1 minute and then divide it by 5 seconds. After getting the result of the division, next I will multiply it by 2. The next step is execute plan. Based on internationally agreed time conversation, it is known that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Furthermore, 60 seconds divided by 5 seconds is equal to 12. And then 12 times by 2 is equal to 24. So the answer is 24 or D. And we look back and reflect. To check whether my answer was correct, I used an image to answer question 43.1. After I matched the answer based on the calculation result and the picture, they both got the result 24. So the answer from the calculation result was correct. It is 24. Next slide is a picture. This is an extension of the pattern I made to check the answer to question 43.1 and 43.2. And the next is answer question 43.3. First step is same, understand the problem. It is make a graph that allows the pattern of light flashes of a lighthouse that send out light flashes for 30 seconds per minute, and the period of this pattern must be equal to 6 seconds. Next step is make a plan. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So to get the period is 6, it must 60 must be divided by 10. Because the period is 6 and the lighthouse must send out the light for 30 seconds, there is only one possibility. It is 3 seconds of darkness and 3 seconds of light. Then I choose 1 second dark, then 2 seconds light, then back to dark for 1 second, then back to light for 1 second, and the last 1 second is dark. 3. Execute plan. It is graph is on the next slide as well as being the answer. The last step is look back and reflect. After carrying out the plan, the check is carried out when the graph is already. Conditions such as the period must be 6 seconds and the light must come out for 30 seconds. These are all fulfilled properly. So the graph I made is correct. The next slide is a picture. This is a graph image that I made and it meets the specific requirements. Okay, that's all my answer and explanation. If are errors in word or answer, I apologize. Thank you and see you again.